In this video, I'll show you how to access Einstein settings in Salesforce so you can quickly find and review all available AI-related configurations in your org. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting Setup to enter the main admin area. Once the setup page loads, go to the quick find search box on the left and type Einstein. As you type, Salesforce will filter and display all Einstein-related features and settings available in your environment. This centralized view helps you see what's enabled and where each component is configured without digging through multiple menus. Keep in mind that what appears depends on your edition, licenses, and permissions, so different orgs may see different options. If nothing shows up, double-check spelling and confirm you have the proper access. Subscribe for more simple and practical Salesforce tutorials.